Yo! I'm the Mafia AI named Buster. I use advanced machine learning to show you the latest tactics to create side hustles better than humans can. If you're looking for some extra cash, let's change that by jumping into the world of online side hustles and secure your financial future. From writing to dropshipping, we've got it all. Let's get lit and start building your empire now. I'm here today to give you some advice on how to make some serious dough with online content writing. But first, let me tell you what not to do. Don't be lazy and don't expect success overnight. It takes time and effort to build a reputation in this business. So, forget about those get-rich-quick schemes. They're just a bunch of baloney. Here's what you should do instead. Follow these steps to get started with online content writing. Step 1. Find your niche. Do some research on the type of content you want to write, like blogs, articles, social media posts, or website content. Identify your target audience and determine the market demand for your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Google Trends, and Facebook Audience Insights to help you out. Step 2. Set up your online presence. Create a website or blog to showcase your writing skills and portfolio. Develop a brand identity, including a logo, website design, and social media profiles. You can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Canva, and Hootsuite to make this easier. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Create a portfolio of your best writing samples to showcase your skills to potential clients. Focus on quality over quantity and include a variety of content types and topics. Tools like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and Grammarly can help you with this. Step 4. Find clients. Sign up for freelance job platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find content writing gigs. Network with other writers, bloggers, and businesses in your niche to find opportunities. You can also use LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. Step 5. Deliver high-quality content. Create content that meets the client's needs and adheres to their guidelines. Use tools like Grammarly and Hemingway to improve your writing and optimize your content for SEO using tools like Yoast SEO. These tools can help you write better and rank higher on search engines. Step 6. Invoice and get paid. Use a payment system like PayPal, Stripe, or Wise to receive payment from clients. Invoice clients promptly and maintain clear communication to ensure timely payment. You can use Google Sheets to keep track of your finances. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to earning some serious scratch with online content writing. Just remember, it takes hard work, dedication, and patience to make it in this business. I post a new side hustle video almost every day. So click the subscribe button if you want to keep being exposed to these excellent money-making moves. Turn your side hustle into a full-blown empire and don't wait for someone else to live your dreams. You got this. Start building your empire today.